Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Jansai Kishore from Naukar Institute. Today, I'll teach you English grammar in Standard 12. The topic is active passive voice. In last section, I taught you simple present tense. Now, I will teach you simple past tense in active passive voice. So, here some examples is given. First, the sentence is we selected them. We is a subject, selected the verb, and them is object. So first of all we have to put object. So in place of them we have to put they. This is a past tense. So they were. In past tense we have to put was or were. So they were selected by us. I repeat the sentence. We selected them. They were selected by us. Now the second sentence, Darshan ate all the cakes. So Darshan is subject, ate is a verb, and all the cakes object. So first of all I put all the cakes, that is object. All the cakes, that is also plural, so we have to put were. All the cakes were eaten. The cakes were eaten by Darshan. Now, third sentence. Birju liked that film. Birju is a subject, liked is a verb, and that film is object. So, first of all, we have to put object. So, object is that film. So, that film. Now, this is a past tense, so we have to put was were. But that film is a singular, so we have to put was. So, that film was. Now V3 means liked. That film was liked. Fourth rule is by, and after by we have to put subject. So subject is Birju. So that film was liked by Birju. Now the fourth sentence. Dharti did not buy books. In this sentence, Dharti is a subject, buy the verb, and books is an object. So first of all we have to put object according to rules. So books, now books is plural, so we have to put were. Books were not. Books were not. Now third form, the third form of buy, bought. The books were not bought. Fourth rule is by, and after by we have to put subject. So subject is Dharti. So books were not bought by Dharti. Okay. So now see the fifth sentence. Did the captain score the century? The captain is subject. This is an interrogative sentence. Now the passive also comes to interrogative. So object is the century. So that is singular. So we have to put was. Was the century scored by the captain? Question mark. Okay, this is interrogative. So the passive also comes to interrogative. I repeat the sentence. Did the captain score the century? The passive voice is was the century scored by the captain. Now next sentence. Did he give the answer? That is also interrogative, past tense. So first of all we have to put object. According to object we have to put was, were. So the answer is the object. So we have to put was. Was the answer. Was the answer given by him? Question mark. Was the answer given by him? So here your sixth sentence completed. Now go ahead, the next sentence 7. Why did he not buy a new TV set? So why, now we have to put was where according to object. So object is a new TV set, that is singular. So why was a new TV set that is negative sentence. So why was a new TV set not bought by him? Interrogative sign. Now next is when did she buy a ticket? So when, according to object, we have to put was where. So object is the ticket, so we have to put was. When was the ticket bought by her? Interrogative sign. The next sentence, who wrote Gitanjali? So in place of who, I told you we have to put by whom, and that is past tense. So we have to put was where according to object. So object is Gitanjali. So by whom was Gitanjali? Third form, return. Interrogative sign. Now next sentence, 10th, who tore this notebook? So in place of who, I told you we have to put by whom. By whom was this notebook torn? The third form of tore is torn and question mark. So repeat the sentence, who tore this notebook? So by whom was this notebook torn? Okay friends, so here your simple past tense completed. I hope you understand, and thank you very much to listen me carefully. Once again, thank you very much.